Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Alright, now once you go down below this YouTube video, you will find two links there. One says make money with Traffic Jarvis, as you can see here, and then you might have to click on show more, and then you will find a second link which says make money with keyword tracking. Now, this Traffic Jarvis is going to help you to get your YouTube channel monetized fast, okay? Because in this video, you might have seen some ads, okay? So if you're watching this YouTube video, you might have seen some ads, and these ads are making me money, okay? This is the simplest way to make money on YouTube without actually selling anything. So it is like simply you upload your videos every day, those videos will get views, and those views will make you money, okay? But this is not going to be the same for your YouTube channel. So in case you are starting a new channel, you might have only 0 subscribers or nothing, like no videos at all, okay? Or maybe few subscribers and only a couple of videos, right? So in case you are starting a new channel, or let's say you have less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then YouTube will not display these ads in your videos, okay? Because if you want to make money on YouTube with simple videos by uploading them, and YouTube will display these ads, that is only possible if your channel gets those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the in the recent last 12 months, okay? So you can see on my channel I have around 4,000 subscribers for now, and that is obviously more than 1,000 subscribers, okay? So if you want to make money just by simply uploading videos, then you will have to get your YouTube channel monetized, and for that you will need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, okay? Now that will be tricky, because if you try to do this on your own, then you will you will get frustrated, because it is not easy to get those 1,000 subscribers, and especially those 4,000 watch hours, okay? So in that case, you might start your YouTube channel and you will get frustrated within few months, because you will not be getting those watch hours and those subscribers, okay? Or it might take you a couple of years before you actually get there, right? So it's very easy to give up in the time between, and that is why you can check out this Traffic Jarvis here, because once you click on the link, then enter your email and then watch the video on this page, this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get to those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks. And after that, your YouTube channel will go into the review, and then it will be monetized, okay? So this is what can happen when you go ahead and check out Traffic Jarvis. So that means within 30 days, your YouTube channel will be monetized, and from next month onwards, whatever videos you will make, those videos will be showing ads, and the more people see those ads, the more views that video gets. You will make money accordingly, okay? So it's all about getting more views and making more videos and growing your channel, growing subscribers, okay? So yes, in 1 month, your YouTube channel will be monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis, and after that, you have to rinse and repeat, okay? You have to make videos and make money, keep uploading videos, because the more videos you upload, the more views you will get. More views will give you two things. They will give you more money as well as more subscribers, okay? So it's all about rinse and repeat, and carry on this process for next 2 to 3 years if you want to make substantial income for next 50 years, okay? So this Traffic Jarvis is only for serious people, for dedicated, for committed people, because Traffic Jarvis is more than 14 hours YouTube course, okay? So we have a content which is more than 14 hours and 30 minutes, right? So be sure make sure that you are serious and you have a long-term vision. Otherwise, there's no point for you, getting into Traffic Jarvis, okay? If you are not ready to learn, okay? Because you will have to watch those videos for 14 hours and 30 minutes and understand everything. So if you are not ready to learn, and then you are not ready to take action, and you are not ready to continue to do the work, you will not make a single penny, okay? So there's no software, there's no training course which will make money for you until and unless you do the work, okay? And that's why I'm saying Traffic Jarvis is not for amateurs. It's not for those people who are just trying to find a way to make some short money, short-term money, or you're trying to find a way to make quick money, okay? Because there are no such ways, right? Even if you keep looking for such ways, you will never find them, right? So either you already have some money. So if you have some $10,000 investment, then go ahead, run some paid ads, buy some solo ads worth for $10,000, grow your email list, or run some Google ads or Bing ads and make your money, okay? So invest money, then make more money with that, right? But if you do not have those $10,000 to invest, then shut up and keep doing the work, okay? Because if you don't work, you don't get paid, right? So Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, and from from there on, from next month, it's all about making more videos, growing your channel slowly, getting more views and making money while you do all that. Okay, second option here says make money with case tracking. In case tracking, it stands for keep it simple stupid. In case tracking, you will learn exactly what I am doing on this channel, TubeCore. So in case you want to create these kind of software reviews or product reviews, so I will show you in this training. In case tracking, you will learn how to find these products, how to make the reviews, or how to actually upload your videos, how to get your links approved. So you will learn everything, what is the process of creating these review videos, and you can go through case tracking training in 2 hours and 9 minutes. Okay, so case tracking training is only 2 hours and 9 minutes, which means you can finish case tracking training today and you can start making these review videos from tomorrow. Okay, however, in Traffic Jarvis, it might take you like 1 week before you can watch those 5-6 videos initially and then take action. Okay, so again guys, this says here this case tracking is best for beginners, and this Traffic Jarvis says good for full-time income. Okay, because there are some differences here as well, because in Traffic Jarvis, your YouTube channel will be monetized within a month, but in case tracking, it will take around 10 to 12 months of hard work. Okay, if you don't work, then you don't get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in case tracking. Okay, so case tracking is organic, and you have to keep working hard for 10 to 12 months for getting those 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, but in Traffic Jarvis, it only takes a month, right? And in Traffic Jarvis, you will make money with every single video, with every single view which that video will get. Okay, so you make money almost every day. But in case tracking, you will only make money when somebody will buy something from your affiliate links. Okay, so in case tracking, you don't make money unless you sell something, right? So have these points in your mind, because this case tracking is only for beginners, but Traffic Jarvis is for serious people. Okay, so let's say you do not know how much time you have. Okay, you do not have any commitments, you are busy in your offline job, or you may only want to try how YouTube works, right? So if you are not sure how committed you are, then you may try with case tracking. Case tracking will explain you or teach you exactly what I am doing right now on the channel, how to create these reviews, right? But in case you have a long-term vision and you are like, spot on that, yes, I will go ahead and work for next 2 to 3 years and I will create my business, I will grow my business, then Traffic Jarvis is a must need if you are serious about making money on YouTube. Okay, these are both YouTube courses and you will learn everything about YouTube, right? Traffic Jarvis is more than 14 hours, case tracking more than 2 hours, right? So decide for yourself, are you a beginner only and you only want to test out the platform? Then check out case tracking. If you are more serious and dedicated and you have a long-term vision, then check out Traffic Jarvis. And once you click on these 2 links, enter your email and then watch the videos on these 2 pages. Okay, now there are 2 more ways to make money with this here. So let's say once you start creating your YouTube videos, then I can show you here. It says book 1-to-1 consultation in $100, right? And then you will find my email address here, and then you will see my Skype ID. So what I do personally is I offer my own consultation services. So in case someone wants to talk to me personally, they can book their appointment with me. They can email me or message me on Skype, and I will charge them $100 for 1 hour on Skype audio call, and I will show them on their laptop how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks. And then they can ask me if they have any questions regarding YouTube or something other technical stuff. So yeah, I will talk to them for 1 hour, and this is how much I am charging for now. Now this is only an example for you as well, because in case you're some professional, okay, let's say you're some lawyer or some accountant, some doctor, some some guru out there. Okay, so if you want, you can offer your own consultation services within your videos, and when people will see your video, they'll find your details, they will contact you, and you can charge them accordingly, whatever you want to charge, right? So this is third way to make money on YouTube. Fourth option is if you are an expert. Okay, if you're an expert or you have some skills and you want to share it with the world, you can create a course. Okay, you may create a digital course, or you may create your own ebooks, and then you can sell your own courses and your own ebooks once you are skilled enough. Okay, but this is an option, because personally I use all these 4 methods to make money with my one YouTube video. Okay, so when I'm recording this one YouTube video, this video has potential to make money in 4 ways. One way is sure and short. One way is guaranteed that this video is going to make money whether you buy something from me or not, and that is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so if you're watching some ads in my video, that is my money. So the more views this video will get, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, and I'm not talking about thousands or millions here. I'm talking about maybe $5, $10 from one video. Okay, so you have to understand, you have to keep making videos, right? And then second way is affiliate marketing. So if you are going to buy something from my link in my description below, so if if I am doing some review and then you are buying that product from my link, that's my affiliate commission. So that's my second source of income. Okay. Third source of income is my one-to-one consultation. So if you contact me and you want to talk to me, I'll charge you again. So that's my another source of income, right? And fourth is I have my own YouTube courses, case tracking, traffic Jarvis. If you buy them, I make more money. Okay. And this is something which you can you can apply for your YouTube videos as well if you possess or you achieve all those skills. Okay. So, if you cannot use all the 4 ways, the least you can do is you can make money in 2 ways. Make money with the YouTube ad revenue as soon your YouTube channel will be monetized, or else you can do affiliate marketing and, you can make money with affiliate commission, or you can do both, right? So these are some cool ways to make money on YouTube. And let me tell you, YouTube is a free platform, okay? Starting YouTube channel is always free. So no matter how many channels you start, you can have 10 channels, 20 channels, 100 channels. It's absolutely free, okay? And you can upload millions of videos. There's no charge for that. I already have around 620 videos on my YouTube channel in last 7 months, and it's absolutely free, okay? So nobody is stopping you to create as many channels you like. Nobody is stopping you to upload as many videos you like, okay? So again, let me do the recap here. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to go ahead and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Case tracking will teach you this, affiliate marketing, doing or making these reviews. Everything is mentioned in everything is explained in 2 hours, okay? And it's entirely up to you, okay? So you can go ahead and click on this Traffic Jarvis link, click on this case tracking, enter your email, then watch the video on these 2 pages, and then decide for yourself what will suit your situation. Are you only a beginner and you don't have much time? Then you may try case tracking. Otherwise, personally, I would say go for Traffic Jarvis, because in Traffic Jarvis you will get case tracking inside, okay? So if you get Traffic Jarvis, case tracking comes along, within Traffic Jarvis, okay? So that means Traffic Jarvis gives you case tracking. Anyways, you understand what I mean, right? So yes, go ahead, check out Traffic Jarvis case tracking. And in the end here, now I'm going to go ahead and talk about some bonuses.